Now, we double checked everything, made sure the hitch is going to work. We got a lighter trailer, double checked everything. We got our own winch this time. Everything's good on that part. The only issue with the drive is it's starting to snow.
It's hard to see at this angle, especially through a camera, but it is like, right now it's just sleeting, it's not actually snowing.
Even that's enough to make the roads slightly more dangerous, so especially towing, it's not going to be the best, but with the snowstorm we got coming today, we really don't have any choice.
Just arrived to the Audi now. My dad's lining up the trailer and we'll get this loaded up. Got the car all loaded up. This time there was absolutely no issues. Truck is squatting a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. And we got it home. Everything went well on the drive back. There was a little issue when we first started. The truck definitely is going to have some maintenance things going on. Truck had some transmission issues, but that's a normal Dodge Ram thing, so we'll get that situated. But in other words, stay tuned for this. It's probably going to be a parts car. After looking deeper underneath the car, looks like it has an oil leak at a certain place where it kind of deems this as not worth it to fix it, but if we will see what the future entails.